Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short little video showing off the Ferroni ML25 PTO driven pump. It's a roller vane pump. As you see, it runs straight off the PTO and it literally is pumping here. It does 100 liters in about 90 seconds, so it really only takes a few minutes to fill this RBC. And we're lifting the water here probably around somewhere between 7 and 9 meters in terms of head. We're using a 1-inch lay flat pipe to give us a decent amount of throughput, but at the same time the required pressure to get up this hill. And we have a DIY built reel for storing the lay flat pipe, which works really well, made from mostly wood and an old lawnmower handle. This is an amazing pump. I really don't know why they aren't a lot more popular than they seem to be. You can buy them through eBay. We bought ours direct from an Italian company called Agri Euro, but it just is an amazing piece of kit, and I'd highly recommend it. So just another one of the jobs that we get up to at Waterhouse Forde, and having a little bit of fun in the sun and getting our jobs done as well. Hope you've enjoyed, and see you on the next one.